Yeah, I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man. Yeah, I'm going to step off the limb now. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot. I'm going to step off the limb now.
Okay, stand by 13, we're looking.
Blue, we're breathing again. Thanks a lot. I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And welcome to the Dobsonian Power Night Sessions. I hope you're having a great week. Whether it is off work, off holidays, whatever. Hello Universe Wonder, Son Goku, Antonio Cortez, Richard, Samir, Rao, Brian Fowler, Pipilan, Geisler, Amy, Madzif, Andres, Son Goku, Joe Russ. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have outside the King. The King. The weather is much better now. It's with a layer of clouds everywhere, but they are very thin. And I was making some tests before my dinner, and I saw it was decent enough to do a live stream. So we are getting warming up to the weekend. I will repeat on Saturday, hopefully. So my proposition for tonight. Then you can choose one target if you want. So start thinking about it. Don't be hard on me tonight, because I'm a bit tired because I was fixing something in the Equatorial platform. Some people here know about it in the chat, and doing stuff, and my back it's a bit, Well, don't be bad to me. I will point right now to the. We didn't capture this beautiful nebula yet, and it's right on a good position. It's the Thor's helmet. Every year we capture the Thor's helmet. It's very beautiful. I have in the 12-inch Dobsonian, I have the filter, a narrow band filter, the Altair quad band filter. It's narrow, it's 35 nanometers, so we can consider it in the narrow band field, a wide narrow band field. But we will watch right now this beautiful nebula, if possible with a 12-inch Dobsonian telescope I have outside. For the ones that are new here, if you have any question about whatever related with astronomy, you can ask in the chat and I will be glad to answer you. Dobsonian power. Yes, it's like I like to give you people, and I like to give you the opportunity to interact more, and so you choose the object. But this one, there are some objects that are mandatory, and this one is one of those objects that we should, all of us, should capture at least once in a year, when it's up there. It's the Thor's helmet. I will connect the camera outside. It's a bit of dew. I forgot to cover the telescope, so it's a bit wet. But I was looking with the torch inside the telescope, and the Nexus, which is the focal reducer and coma corrector that I use with the 294 camera, which is outside as well. It was with a clean optics, and the primary mirror is fine with a fan. And also the secondary mirror is not with any moisture at all, so we will be fine. By the way, I have a heater around inside the tube around the Nexus lens. I never saw anybody doing like this, but I do like this because the Nexus stays a bit inside the tube, just a bit. So with a heater around, it keeps it dry without any moisture at all. It's a good strategy. There we go. The king. I just want to ask you, if you don't mind, if you notice that my lips are not synchronized, just tell me in the chat, because I'm doing some tests here. Okay, I will connect the platform and point to the object. Let me check stellarium first. Yes, I use Vijay. I use the Stars on the Nexus, which is a focal reducer and coma corrector. That means with that tool, this one, which is a bit expensive but worth all the money. With this tool I can get a faster telescope. The telescope is working right now. Let me check. I always forget this. To check that, we insert the focal length, which is 1500 of the telescope, by the reduction factor 0.75, 1100. So if it's f5, it turns 375. So we are working tonight with a 3.75 super fast telescope, which is awesome. Yeah, it's strongly recommended. The heater is strongly recommended. I just don't have an heater on the secondary mirror because I feel I don't need. So far so good. We are enjoying. We have been enjoying the live sky here all together without needing I have a plan B always, which is for the air dryer. Brian, use a cheap USB camera lens heater on mine as well. Yeah, this is a camera lens heater. Mine is the ZWO. It's very inexpensive. Does it $10 or so? I don't remember. It's a circle that you insert. It's perfect. The measure is perfect to the focuser. You can insert everything and it will go through that heater. It's a circle, an open circle, and it's good. Okay, Stellarium. Stellarium. Where it is, Sirius. Highlight bookmarks. I'm sure it is bookmarked. Yes, Amir, it's good not to have the dew if you don't have. But for instance, we are this week and you should be worse than me in your latitude, in your position. We have loads of dust in the air right now, Samir. That's why the sky it's a bit weird. You will see. Gets more noise. Thor's helmet, right here. Okay, let me see. Sirius, it's super easy to find. So, no problems. Then the tail rod will be... I will make a tangent with the tail rod, like this, to Sirius. Super, super easy. Star hopping. This will be star hopping.
Start hopping.
A tangent here. You see how good is the tail rod? And then I will do like this. 1, 2, 3, and then I will do just a bit up. And we will be near the Nebula. 1, 2, 3, up and left. Okay, let's do it. So camera is connected, everything, just the platform and the tail rod. Sharp cap. And I have to focus. I think I will first focus on Sirius. Sharp cap. This wonderful piece of software. By the way, I told you the last live stream, I will tell Robin, and I told Robin, I asked Robin about that weird thing that happened to close the live stack here. The planetary Sun and Moon live stack. Not this live stack that we are going to do. Now, Sharp Cap, we have to distinguish two kind of live stacking. One, the regular one that I usually do, is the Deep Sky Objects live stacking. So Deep Sky live stacking. And the planetary Moon and Sun live stacking, which is different. A different feature here. That one is new, he's working on it. And I couldn't get rid of it closing in a clean way. I told him, and he watched that part of the video where I had that problem, the last live stream, and he told me that he will fix that. So it's a new feature, it's natural, but this is powerful. This software, it's wonderful. So it's not tracking, as you can see, it's almost on focus. So I will point right now to Sirius. I will do the star hopping.
Start hopping.
If you're enjoying the show, remember to give it a like to spread it all over the world. If you like this kind of content, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with videos and live streams. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Sirius star. I'm playing with the balance because I changed some stuff here. The altitude bearings on my 12-inch Dobsonian telescope. I lowered the tube. So I will have to get used to the new way to balance the telescope. I think I got it already. You can see that I have only here at the bottom. Here, this is a purse that I have, a simple purse. Travel purse. And inside I placed the magnets, old magnets from microwaves, old microwaves and radios, old radios here. And I change the position of it. It doesn't scratch the telescope, it's beautiful. I change the position of it and I adapt to the position of the tube. Right now it's here. I have to get used because I took off a big chain from here. This is to have a lighter telescope. It's super heavy. The mirrors are clean. The telescope is collimated. This is beautiful. Is this the brighter star? Is this the brighter star? Let me check on Google. Yeah. Sirius is highly visible in the northern hemisphere, winter night sky. The brighter star in Earth's night sky. This is magical. It's magical, this star. Yeah. The name, do you know what means Sirius? Sirius. It's glowing in Greek. Glowing. Yeah, and it's a double star. It has a Sirius B. I watched it already. Visually. And this one that we are watching, it's the Sirius A. A. Now let me check if this is well focused. I think it is. A bit of, you see the dust and the clouds do this effect. And it's interesting one thing that is interesting, I'm using, and for the ones that like filters and cameras and that stuff, I'm using a narrowband filter, and we don't get a halo on, or a big halo on Sirius, which is the bright star. But you can't see, but I can see the donut here. We have a reflection. I don't know, you probably can't. I do like this. If I do like this, no, you can't. Well, you can see something here. It's so bright, so bright, so bright. You see? Okay, let me try to focus better. Fine tune. Yeah, I can see double spikes here. Now we're good. Perfect. Perfect collimation. Perfect focus. We are ready to go. Now the hard part. Hey, congratulations! Start hoping. Hard part. 3 tail rod, a bit up. Okay, I will try again manually because this is good for my back. 1. I will do a different thing now. I will do 1 tangent and then a bit up. Okay, like this. This will be easier because I have here the Thor's helmet. If I can place the tail rod horizontally, I might get it faster. So like this, distance, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it. What the heck is this music? It was not supposed to be here. I think I know what is the problem. The rotation on Stellarium. Okay, I got it. Well, I failed. I will do the push too. Should be near, but... Tools... Push to. Thor. I forgot to check. Okay, it's okay. Up and right. Well, we were close. We were close. Let me close the... Cover the infrared. See? Easy. Easy peasy with this. Okay, let's do it. Eight seconds. As it's on south, may work. Narrowband filter, quad band. There we go. There we go, there we go. It's the first time I do the observation of this beautiful nebula with a narrowband filter. I can see right out of the gate that these parts of the nebula which are fainter are already popping up. And now take off the green. Right. Yes, Rao. To have more photons, faster gathering the light, the telescope. So I'm using 8-second exposures. If I was not using the focal reducer, I would need a bit more time to get the same detail that you have here. That's why. Faster telescopes are good for, and faster optics in this case, for this kind of nebulae, galaxies, everything but the planets and the moon and sun. You want faster optics. But did you try Mazif? Your first eyepiece? Or only clouds there? Chris Green is in a house. Chris, if you want to get in tonight, you can. If not, on Saturday. Don't worry. No stress. We have time. I don't know. It's a new playlist and I don't know how that music... That should be in the French playlist that I have. Actually, I will place it right now. The name of the music is The Wine Road. Should be French. I will move it right now, otherwise I will forget. I never saw it. I never watched this nebula visually. It's because of that I do EAA, this that we are doing, live stacking. To complement and largely complement, it's a powerful complement to the visual observation. Visual first. It's incredible. But then we have our thresholds as human beings. So with a camera, we use the machine to pull the details of these beauties of the sky. And look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's with a narrowband filter. It's better with a narrowband filter here. This kind of nebulosity is faint. It's difficult to capture in real time. This is real time. It's amazing. Yeah, with a darker sky. By the way, I'm on Portal 5. We are streaming from here. Planet Earth. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude Portal 5. The time here is 11 p.m. Yeah, it's true. You know that with the 8-inch. Imagine with a 12 inches harder. The larger the telescope, and then you have to decide to tune the setup to be stiff and harder to fine-tune small millimetrical movements, or by the other hand, to let it go smoother, so it's easier to center, but it's harder to track. We have to get a balance. I have it towards, or more towards the stiffness. I like to have that friction. It's good for visual. Everything, it's too large, the 12-inch, and everything is very well placed. Doesn't move at height magnification, as I like to observe. We need everything to be quiet, basically. Are you getting late to bed or waking up? Wow. India. Thor's helmet power. It's a beautiful nebula. This will be a good... you see, even with the sky, we can't have the perfect sky. If I was waiting for the perfect sky, I wouldn't stream. Almost. We have dust in the air, we have thin clouds. But even with those problems, we can get... We don't have wind tonight, which is good for the large telescope. And we're starting to see, look at these details of the hydrogen here, and here, and here, and here. With a broadband filter, it's harder to get these details on this nebula, this particular nebula. It's not drifting too much, the platform, it's fine. It's a bit brownish because of the dust, always like that. With dust, the atmosphere gets a bit brown here on south. Yeah. Yeah, I just did it. The green channel is too... It was too much. Now it's fine. No, I don't know in your monitor, but I think it's fine. Magical. Welcome to this spaceship, David Pistrito. Today I called Italy to Geoptic. Nothing but clouds, Mazif. For you to laugh at me. Thank you, Wave Crest Guy from Hawaii, for gifting 5 Dobsonian Power memberships. Mike Sinner, Crazy Jew, Astroman, Dan Daniel, and Donald, not that Donald, Donald King. Welcome to this spaceship. You are now an explorer. So thank you, Wave Crest Guy. Thank you. Don't forget, the members have full access to exclusive content on the channel. I do just for you. And you have priority in everything. By the way, join us on Discord, the ones that... the new members. It's free, and it's an extension of the channel. And you have some benefits there also. Thank you, Pipiland, for your super chat. Super chat. Thank you. Let me pull it up. Thank you. No message, but thank you very much for your support. Portuguese, it's not frequent. It's still stacking. Let me check the color. Less red. Green. We're getting details up here also, or as well. I will save one pic right now. Beautiful. I love to watch the sky as well as you. I have to find it. I couldn't get it yet. Let me see the size. It's Thor's helmet. It's here. $23.59. Here. You have this link at dobsonianpower.com in free stuff, as well as other very nice and free links. 1500, aperture 300, eyepiece focal length. Let me check 9mm if it's possible. Field of view 100. No Barlow, no reducer. At to view. It's loading. Yeah, it's beautiful for the 9mm. Look at this. You see? With this eyepiece. Massive. Don't try this one first, massive. It will take more time. It will cover all the nebula. Oof. I have to try it again this year. Maybe after the stream. I have an 03. I don't know if it's very good, but I have an 03 for visual. Hello, Tati. It's my Bortal 5. Samir, if he can do it, we can do it. Easy object. Okay, I will do it tonight. I will do it tonight. Actually, I will do it right now. I will save this image. Man, it's super hard to see. It's super hard. Hold on, Astro Thief. I will change the eyepiece. Lower power. I can see something, but it's super hard. If it wasn't because it's there already, it will be super hard. Come on, it's super hard. I'll put the camera. It's super hard. Let me close this. Don't try this one, Mazif, at least for now. Try other ones. I'll go to the chat in a minute. Focus this. Super hard. I saw it with a 9mm. Much better. With a 30mm, it's super small. And it's super faint. I know that I'm here without dark adaptation. I know that the conditions are not the best ones. Look, it's like this that I saw. Like this. I don't know if you even can see it. Look, exactly like this. This is what I saw. Look, like this with a 9mm. See? Super faint. And with the 30mm, it was even smaller than this. And it was very faint, very, very faint. No details. With the 9mm was okay. The goggles, yes. But it was... I was impulsive to go. It's very faint. Samir, you can try it in the mountain, but it's very, very faint. I will refocus. Choose a target. I go to the chat. I will just point to Sirius again and clean this mess. I know that I didn't make dark adaptation. I'm here with lights. It was harder. But even like that, I was not using any filter. Let me take just this because it's not easy. You saw the image I showed you. It's the image that you will see. With maybe 12 millimeters or 13, 14. Maybe I'll try again with I insert my focal reducer. It gets brighter. And maybe I will use that O3 filter another day, but I don't know. It's hard to capture. It's not an easy one. Davide. I succeed. David, I succeeded. But what I think it's not so easy. And if it's not easy to me, imagine for a beginner. Okay, this is focus. I love to do visual. I would love to show you. Let me check the shot now. I would love to show you. Well, I could show you exactly. You saw that image, dark, and with a faint nebula. It was exactly what I saw with the 9mm. The full eyepiece, it's 100 degrees. Let me pull the shot. Because you are giving super shots and I was outside in the dark. PP Land, it was already. Thank you, PP Land. Thank you, Chris Green, for your super chat. Thank you, man. I thought you were on traveling home.
Super shot.
Thank you, Astro Thief, for gifting 10 Dobsonian Power memberships. B-Web, Anthony Page, Blood Eagle, Astro Duck, Lobster, Diogo Walter, Tugrul, Jesse, DG, and Jeep Ugly. Welcome to the spaceship. You are now an explorer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is always changing. After 1 month that you have, we appreciate if you keep or extend 99 cents a month. Come on, 99 cents a month, it's nothing. It's nothing. You can become an exclusive member of this channel and have access to unique information, content and features. Be one of the pillars of this channel. Thank you, the man on the mountain, for your super chat.
Super shot.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It says number 1. Thanks a lot, thanks a lot, thanks a lot. Man, I wish I could... where is it? Here. I wish I could do something visually here, but I can't show you. Well, I can. I just figured it that I can show you on screen without stacking everything. To clone what I saw visually. Actually, this was a very, very precise replica of what I saw visually outside in the Portal 5 with a 9mm eyepiece from Explore Scientific, 100 degrees, without filters, and a 12-inch Dobsonian telescope. Maybe I'll try more of these. Could work. I really, really love visual, but I love to be outside, not like this quick visual. I like to be outside. I take my headphones, not these ones, but other ones that I have there. I place the headphones with relaxing music, like this. Similar. And I sit outside with a chair, because of my back. I adjust the chair to the eyepiece. The cold, I forget the cold. And I start with my smartphone, with Sky Safari application, which is free. I have the Pro version, but it's free. You can download it for free. And we get rid of the stress. We enter in another dimension. It's another dimension. You know. It's different. It's magical. It's hard to start hope this nebula, because it's very faint. It requires dark adaptation, this one. Next time I will use my goggles that I have here. These ones. Laser glasses, $9.99. Super handy. I didn't know I was going. It was something, an impulse. Hello, Brandon. Hello, Mr. 123. Did you choose an object for us to watch next? This was the Thor's helmet. And this one that you are watching, it's the brightest star in our sky. Sirius. No. No, but I wanted to. And then I thought, well, I can avoid the star hopping with this one because I don't know this nebula. And usually this kind of nebula, I take time to find them. I have to be there. And I said, well, it's an opportunity right now. With the camera, I change for the eyepiece. It's a nice way to do it. Although we don't have dark adaptation. But if we can't find, for instance, you will do the star hope. No, Brian. If you can't find, well, you can find it with a camera and then... Yeah. It's true. And the goggles, of course. Yeah, there's sand in the sky. This is... Well, there, where you are, it's worse. I saw on the satellite. I saw, it's ugly there. Yeah, and it's slow. Another enemy for this nebula. What I did right now. It's slow in the sky. It's about 15 degrees. If 50 degrees, it's lucky. I think it's about 13, 14. That's another caveat. And thank you, Astro Thief. I think I thank you already. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dobsonian struggles. By the way, Thief, I sent you a message by other platform. Hey, João. Watching the sky. Well, I'm waiting for an object. Let's see. Let's see. B? No object. I can choose one. Messier 78. Tonight it's mystical music. Levitating in the universe. From Algarve to the world. All together here. Trying to check what is Messier 78. Ah, that's on Casper. I didn't saw it. I didn't see it yet this year. Nice one. Nice one. Thank you, thank you. You see, I need you. I need you. And this one is easy. I can do the Star Hope. A tangent to Alnitak, almost a tangent, and bam. Very nice one. That will be. That will be. Let me do the star hopping. Quickly. The faint one. I think it's here. This here. Okay, I will leave it like very faint. Is this an emission nebula? M78. Because if it is, I have to change the filters. Emission, no reflection. It is, yes. By the aspect. Is this a reflection? Yes, I will change the filter quickly. I have the Baader neodymium, which is good for this one. Or the infrared cut. Oh, he's not here. I will use the Baader neodymium. It's fine anyway. However, with the Baader neodymium, now I have to refocus. The filter gets due. One thing I noted, as I'm using a filter drawer, the filters get due after a while. When I was not using filter drawer, so it was directly screwed into the imaging train, it didn't get due because it was so compact. But with a filter drawer, it gets due. It gets some dew. Not much. It's gone already. It's gone already. Not much. I was going to show you. Focus. Now I don't have the spikes. We are good to go. It's seconds. See if it works. Yeah. It has loads of dust. It's reflection, yes, Samir. It's reflection.
Dobsonian power. The king.
Not anymore, not anymore. It was a good choice. This Nebula is a good choice. It has loads of... It's beautiful, this Nebula. It looks like it's hiding behind the dust. You will see in a moment. Let me adjust this. Look, it's starting to pop. And this color, this natural bluish cyan color, it looks like it's covered with something protected here. It's a beautiful nebula. It's a shame that the sky is not so. And here the little one. It's beautiful, this nebula, to watch with a camera. Hope you're doing fine with your eyes. You didn't watch the sun? No? Yes, our spaceship to travel in the universe. You see, this was the first choice and straight away a good choice. Yeah, it has to be. Or to the island. Here I have the islands. Is it bad? I don't understand that, star guy. Is it bad? One of these days I have to go to that doctor. What's happening here? We have problems. This is a target for a broadband filter. Let me check. We watch comets a lot here. We watched an asteroid already here. With a Dob, huh? Incredible. Let me check. I can split a star guy visually. Here I don't know. Maybe in infrared. We can try it. Let me check the comet. It's not visible. It's on west and down. It's not visible from here right now. Hola, Templario. Bienvenido seas. Welcome. It's getting detail. Let me see if I can have more contrast. We're having trouble with the tracking right now. It's a beautiful one. It's a beautiful one. Look at this. Look, it looks like it's protecting something here. Like a cocoon. Yes, the quad band is not good for this one. Everything. It's awful. No, Newtonian telescope. If you want to get rid of the coma at the edges, the stars, you can use a coma corrector. What I'm using here is a coma corrector, a mix, a coma corrector, and also it's a focal reducer. It's more expensive, but it's worth it. Actually, I have a coma corrector from Bader. It's not very expensive. It's not this. It's not very expensive, and it's very nice for visual and for cameras. Bader MPCC. I have a review about it in the channel. Yeah, we're getting trouble here with the tracking. And I think I'm capturing a bit of my 4G antennas. LTE. It is, Davide. It is. I love this kind of nebula. I love them. And the more you stack, look at the details. The more you stack, the more details. Look. You see? And the color. Could be hydrogen. It's reddish here. Mixed with it's like marble. Sky marble. And the dust, I love this mix with the dust. Cyan, the color, natural color here. This is nice to watch as is. More detail here, starting to pop, and makes that cocoon kind of, I don't know, it looks like a protection or something. It's M78. Casper, the friendly ghost nebula. Write that. Let me open here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Infrared, zoomed here. This is a close-up, infrared close-up from Hubble telescope. In this region here. It's the red part that I talked about. I think it's here. Oh man, the tracking is getting weird. It's that reddish part. Let me see what they say about that reddish. It's not hydrogen. It's this part. Very, very... looks like fantasy. A magic world. So, you know, the reflection nebula is created when light from a star is scattered or reflected off a nearby dust cloud. That huge dust cloud. 1600 light years only from Earth. And a magnitude of 8. It's a good magnitude. Can be found in binoculars and small telescopes. I have to watch this one visually also. But telescopes 8 inches or larger will reveal more detail in the nebula. Good news. Good news, explorers. This nebula can be found in binoculars and small telescopes. However, telescopes 8 inches or larger will reveal more detail in the nebula. It appears very comet-like. Good hint. It looks like a comet. Looks like it has a comet's tail. And this has fooled many comet hunters, believing that it was a new discovery. Now let me see about that region. Ah, it's here. It's a protostellar evolution. No, they took the picture to understand the protostellar evolution. The early development stages in a star's life. Amazing. But they don't say it's star-born. Burning stars here. It's this region. Stars are born from turbulent clouds of gas and dust that collapse under their own gravitational attraction. They collapse by gravity, their own gravity. As the cloud collapses, a dense hot core forms and begins gathering dust and gas, creating a protostar. But I think this one is another one. Yeah, tracking messed it all. This nebula. It moved the telescope. I should use always 4 seconds. The mountain. Saturn with a telescope, a very small telescope. It's amazing. Saturn, you can see it with any telescope.
Dobsonian power.
Boom crack. Now it's with 4 seconds. Manage the track. I think it's capturing already a part of my roof. It's getting towards east, west. Thank you, Star Guy, for your super chat. Oh my god. Thank you, thank you.
Super shot. Tenth
super chat they say here on YouTube. Now they say that this information nice. Thank you. How's that, Rao? How's that, Rao? What's happening? Of course I get angry sometimes. Today I got angry with people. Always people and always about the same thing. Always about the same thing. It's always about people. It's always about the money. Always about the money. It's incredible. I don't understand. I don't understand people. Believe me, I don't understand. I try to understand. I can understand someone that needs to eat and to feed the children or something, or the family. I can understand certain behaviors, but people that has more than me in the bank, and they keep feeding that greed, which leads to other awful behaviors. I don't understand, man. They always want more. It's like a... Oof. Yeah, plate solving here, it's a breeze. This software, SharpCap, it's getting better and better. I hope Robin didn't get angry on me, because yesterday when I asked about that issue that we had here, and he's trying now to fix it, I said that it's not the first time I say I would like that SharpCap could have a better user interface, a simpler user interface, so I could choose what I have in that software. Because there's loads of things here, tools. I have loads of things here that I never use and I will not use. If I could check this, and this, it's the only thing I care about. And all the others will be invisible to me, will be great. And the buttons the same here, if I could choose. And then if we need, we can pull them from the menu. Yeah. The thing is, Rao, that I have my ways to get rid of that quickly, as fast as I can. Anger, and bad people. Run away. Negativeness, toxic people, run away. Look, we have, and you know, because you have that perception doing astronomy, we have the time, our time here, our life, it's super limited. It's like a snap, or even less. We have a limited time of living of this experience on Earth. Why the heck I will spend a single second or fraction of a second of my precious time of life with people that I don't care about, I don't know, and I don't want to know, and I don't want to care about? And you the same. Why do you care about? I don't even answer, but I'm doing like Asian people culture as that thing that is better than us. They react like, okay, turn around. They just don't say nothing. We are more, and especially in South Latins, we are more impulsive. We say bad words and so on. It's a waste of time. Now, with you, I like to spend the time with you. And really, I really feel comfortable when I'm in this environment with you. I really feel comfortable. Even when we have those live streams that come loads of random people, I still feel that energy, that this is a very nice thing. The crab? I think I didn't watch the crab. Yes, this year. Let me check. Yeah, the blue. Look, I will put it just for you. Bam. Just for your television. We have a satellite here, but doesn't matter. This color here. The contrast now. Beautiful. Because we have fast fingers. Hi Douglas, excellent question. What are the some of the most visible things I can see with my 8-inch Dobsonian telescope from the northern hemisphere? Oh man. So many things. You have the moon to start with. You have right now you have the Orion Nebula, the Crab Nebula. Man, so many things. The stars, Sirius. Look, everybody loves the Orion Nebula. Sargai is asking you. This is beautiful. I could stay all night doing this stuff. I think the platform. Yeah, this is pointing through the roof, but still can get a good image. On Saturday, I may do again the live stream. Let me check the weather. Well, not very good. We'll see, we'll see. But during the day, maybe the sun, if I see it will, the forecast is bad, and during the day I will do the sun or something. We'll see, we'll see. I don't know. This is unpredictable. I wish I could schedule, but this is unpredictable. Let me adjust the color. This is the best one. Of course, in a 4K television, it's another world. I still use my 8-inch a lot. Channel members, don't forget that you can participate. You still have place to participate in the solar eclipse on April, 8 April. It's already scheduled, and we are preparing everything. You can share with us if you want your capture of the eclipse live. Wherever you are. You can be having fun and capturing it for the community and then talk with us. Whatever. If you are with friends or something. If not, even better. Yeah, Chris, don't worry. We have time. So it will come a night here that we can try it. The thing is, don't forget we have different time zones. It is likely that you test with the sun while I'm here at night, and you can connect, for instance, to check if everything is all right. Yeah, the tracking, I'm having problems right now. No, it's fine now. It was a moment. But this is capturing my wall, so we can change. The crab, no, the crab is already gone. It's here, I think. Yeah, crab nebula. My view, it's here. And the moon is rising. It's not very strong yet. Soon I will do another experiment with the moon. We will keep having track on the moon. Tracking the moon. It's wonderful. The hole. I didn't watch the hole yet. The hole is emission nebula. Right? It's already up here. It's a good one. It's here, look. We have a bunch of objects that are rising. Look at this. It's coming, Samir. It's coming, the galaxy season. Just a bit more of winter and we are done. Yes, we can do the whole nebula. Right now. It's a good one. Let me just check if it's all... It's emission, no? It's emission nebula. I will change the filter again. Well, Brian, we have time. If you think in perspective, although we have a limited time here, but there are so many nights and they will come back. The ones that are gone, they will come back next year. At the end, we have time if we keep... And that's the beauty of it. If you watch everything, if it was only... I don't know, 3 or 4 objects in the sky, it will be only that. But we have loads of them. It's emission. Yes, I know it's a planetary one. But it's emission, yeah. Well, I will use the stars on the Nexus anyway. I almost can frame the surfboard galaxy. No, I will aim for the hole to center it. With the other filter and the stars on the Nexus will be faster. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is very easy to... This is very easy, David. This is very easy. This one. Visually, and we do here a tangent and that's it. Okay, I'll change the filter. Oof. Let me close this. It's gone. I think it's over the wall. I have to find the right speed now that I changed things. Well. All nebula. Change filter. Star guy, put your glasses on because this is super bright. This is Sirius. I have to refocus. And in your 100-inch will illuminate all the living room. Let me refocus this. That's fine. And now the hole. Now, yes, we will do the star hopping.
Start hopping.
Oh. Samir, the sky is super dusty. Super, super. Hold on, hold on. Oh, I lost my BAM. Come on, I lost my BAM. Well, I fix it later. It's super dusty, the sky. Let's see what we can get from here. With a narrow band filter. Should pop the red. Where is my BAM? It's this one. Oof, I can't live without. Ooh, we have dust. I could barely see the Big Dipper, and it's so easy to watch. Yes, it's popping up, the detail. It's a perfect one. It's good, the narrowband filter. It's the Altair, it's quad band. Let's see if the red here around can pop more. Oh, we have some here. They do a good job hunting the rats. The Big Dipper. Thin clouds. Thin clouds. What are ours? Frogs? Are they frogs? This is a nice one for you to capture also. You see, I like to go deep. That's why I like the Dobsonians look. I love to go deep. Small objects. And we can get the detail with the aperture. Ah, okay. Yeah, here it's country. In the country, they are different from the ones of the city, though. Starguy, will be very nice to do the live stream with the sun eclipse, solar eclipse, with Chris Green and more people. Chris, Starguy has already the experience. Last live stream of the eclipse, the annular eclipse, he participated, as well as Amy and Brian Fowler. It was awesome. It will be very, very funny. Yes, it is forming. Hopefully it will pop up more here and here. Let's get in the detail. I'm using 4-second exposures. And now it's doing fine again. Yeah, it will be very funny, very funny. I love those events. When people that usually don't pay attention to the sky, on those events they pay attention. And some of them get stuck with this passion that we have. That I think we all have, but most of people have that too deep inside, and they don't realize it yet. Oof. In that TV it will be, I can imagine, because I have one half of the size, 55. And it's huge. 100 is almost double. Only 6 minutes. I have to check the balance, the new balance that I have to make. And the speed. Maybe I have to increase the speed a bit. Now that is lighter, the telescope. A bit lighter. Brian, I think it was the first time I saw Saturn. I think that was the real I had more, but that one was so, I was not expecting at all. It was so new to me, with a cheap refractor, and actually it was with this cheap refractor. I had when I was younger I had a very even older one. I can't remember the brand. It was the same that you have on, or had on USA. What's the name of those cheap refractors that you had? The first ones. We had a brand here on Europe as well. I can't remember the name of the brand. I don't have it anymore. Tasco. The Tasco telescopes that you had on USA, we had here a different brand from Germany, I think. Tasco, yes, Tasco. But with that one, it was a mess. I couldn't barely see the moon, and I was not very good on telescopes. It was a bit of a hobby killer in that sense. It was later with this one. This one here. With this one, the Power Seeker. It was the first time that I watched Saturn. And it was the most incredible moment. To watch that tiny, very tiny, but perfect. But I had more, and here with you, when we watch it, for instance, the asteroid, we watch it here, an asteroid, And it was when we watched Pluto here live, when I captured Pluto. Comets. I don't know. The first time on Uriah Nebula. I don't know. In some instances, I use the word shame instead of it's a pity, it's a shame. So we should use it's a pity instead of it's a shame. I want to say it's a pity. We don't say it's a shame in English. It's a shame. Like, it's a pity that it's cloudy tonight. We don't say it's a shame that it's cloudy tonight. We don't. More red here in the nebula. Yeah. In a sense, we still have, at least me, I still have aha moments. Even the other day with the moon. A simple object that many people don't. Well, it's a moon. And I was amazed. It's a shame. Yeah, we use. It's a shame that people love to turn lights during the night. Yeah, we use. So it was well said. It's a shame. I don't know if it happens to you, Chris, but what I see often happen with people that was in touch with telescopes very young, but oftentimes they got a large period of lifetime, without connecting with anything. And then later, in adult, when they were adults, they got again into astronomy, and they remind those early stages when you were a child. I didn't have that opportunity, unfortunately, or it's as is. I don't feel sorry for it. It's what it is. What is important, past is gone. At least I see from this perspective. What is important to us, to you and me, is this moment, right now. Right now. It doesn't matter tomorrow. It doesn't matter the past. It's right now. Right now is the moment. And we are enjoying the sky. It's the moment. Past is past. And if you see, for instance, many of us, and now these new generations that enter recently, many of us, you and me, that have a recent experience with telescopes, have much more time spent watching the sky than many people that has the telescope from childhood, because they were disconnected. And I see too often, people that are older now, like I don't know the name, like they are very important because they were with telescopes from childhood, as it was something like a curriculum or something that makes you better than the other human being. So I had, it's not your case, Chris Green. I see people outside like, because I have telescopes since whatever, with a prepotence, with a arrogance. But it doesn't matter, because you read or hear what they say now and what they do, and it's empty. And many people now that bought a Dobsonian or other telescopes in the last, I don't know, 5 years or so, as I did, but that connects too often with the sky as we do, we are not less than someone that has a telescope in childhood. We can't change that, but it's not important. Because what's matter is now, it's the present. And in the present, the reality is that me right now in this moment in time and you are connected with the sky in some way. That's what matters. It was bad even for the moon, yeah. I don't remember, I can't remember the name. It was a German telescope. I remember it was a brand, it was German. And it was very, very bad. Very bad. Entitled or privilege. Privilege is the people that are connected right now with the sky. Look, an example here. I never even looked through a telescope until 4 years ago. I feel like I've missed out on a lot, but I make it for it now. You shouldn't. This is that feeling is a product, only a product from social, this kind of people, social culture of elitism in astronomy. It's my perspective. You shouldn't. I don't know if it's your case, Brian, but for instance, me, when I was young, I didn't have that opportunity. Nobody gave me a telescope, nothing. But I remember that I loved all my life to watch the sky with naked eyes. I didn't have binoculars, I didn't have telescopes. In my childhood, I had a happy childhood, and I remember that I loved to watch the sky. I didn't know the constellations. I knew the more important ones, but I didn't know what I know now. So that feeling was always there, all my life. But what matters is now. Is that important? Someone that was in childhood and now are completely disconnected. I feel that when I read them. Completely disconnected. They still like living in that period, or I don't know how to explain that. It's what I feel. But you and me and many of us right now, unfortunately more and more, and that's the beauty of it. I see more people buying telescopes for visual, others only for the pictures, doesn't matter. Telescopes. This thing that we have now, this social thing to share pictures, pull more people into the astronomy, and maybe after a while they realize there are more than a simple picture to explore, and they get in. I consider that really started when I purchased the 12-inch. Was my first Dobsonian. The refractor, yeah, I started, we can say, but the real feeling, the real connection I felt was when I purchased this Dobsonian telescope that is outside, the 12-inch. And I purchased it with my wife. We wanted a telescope because of those periods of lockdowns, and at least that was positive in that sense. Many people purchased telescopes, and we purchased the 12-inch because we wanted the aperture. And we purchased, and from the moment I start exploring the 12-inch and I saw the difference from the refractors, the cheap refractors, I got that feeling, I have to share this with the world. And I got stuck with information. I didn't have information as we have now. Things that to improve the Dobsonian, nothing. And I said, no, I have to share this improvement. I have to share what I'm learning here. And it was like sharing the journey. And helped many people, and I still help many people. This channel helps loads of people. In the background you don't see, but many people that ask me things, and we try to help. On Discord, you know, you help as well. You help loads of people there. You not only, and if you notice, most of you had a super fast progression. Actually, you can be and do whatever you want. You know that. Your pictures are amazing. Amazing, Brian. Your pictures are amazing. I love the way you balance. I love much more, and I'm telling this from the bottom of my heart. I love way much more your pictures than many pictures I see on websites or groups like the ZWO groups. Have loads of people, or Astrobean or some, because you have a particular way to process them that I like. For instance, no. How? You are free to... People that are here for a long time, you can say whatever. And if you feel it's something, as I do with you, if I feel it's something I should not do publicly, I do by privately. But that's not a problem. When the intention of someone is good, it's not a problem. Sometimes it may be misunderstood, of course. We're getting detail. A 12-inch telescope. I love this telescope. I really love this telescope. The king. Yeah, I know you're not complaining, Brian. I repeat these things for the audience, the viewer. Because there are things that are important, deep things in this hobby that I think they are important for beginners to assimilate, start assimilating instead of going through other paths. Doesn't matter. The simple fact that you are here, Richard, the simple fact that you are here right now in this moment in time shows that you have a connection somehow a connection with the sky. That's the important thing. You don't have it now. You may have in 1 year, 1 week, or 2 years, or whatever, or never. You don't have to have a telescope. But you see, Brian, it's for people that don't have telescopes, people that are starting, beginners. I'm always focused on that. And I feel that is important to open, I don't want to but it's the word I find, to open the arms to them, to come here and have a, that's why I care about the community, to be a clean and white community. It's like a family, so they feel comfortable and they don't feel what I felt sometimes online, and many others that I saw complaining about that. That is asking something as a beginner and being judged or being humiliated and making jokes of them, or something that you want to do very excited and the answer is always no, you can't, no, you can't, no, you can't. That negativeness. That's not good for the beginner. Right, that I wish I could have. That was what moved me to this channel. I wish I could have that information when I start discovering, because the Dobsonians have this special thing, feature or characteristic. We can change the Dobsonians easily, a lot, improve them, because they are so simple. When I start, actually my first 2 or 3 videos on the channel are about improvements. Things that you can do, or hacks, or mods, or whatever, upgrades to your Dobsonian, because I was so excited. Oh, I discovered this. This works very well. I have to share this. Nobody shared this. I have to share this. And bam, the videos. And this passion that I got, even more than that, behind this, all of this, it's the passion that I feel, because you see, I'm too excited sometimes, but it's like that. And after a wild life, not so wild as Star Guy in the mountains, but after a wild life in the cities, watching the sky brings me that peace of mind or something. Then the Orion's belt second, then V. Now I want 12-inch aperture. The aperture, it's great. I like very much. We don't have it here on Europe, but you have on the United States. Especially here on High Point Scientific, you have the aperture brand. And it's not expensive. It's all GSO, which I like. And it's very nice. I don't regret when I see, oh, the beginner should buy a smaller dog. If you have the space and then the strength to buy a larger one, as I had that time, I will do exactly the same. I will buy again the 12-inch. There was a moment that my wife said, oh, this is a bit heavy for you. No. I love it. Of course, if you live in the city, but in my situation, As long as you have storage space and enough health and strength to lift the telescope tube. Now I could buy a truss telescope. It will be lighter, but I didn't know. It was the opportunity. This was very inexpensive, this telescope. My 12-inch costed about $500 or something. I can't remember. Jupiter, beautiful. This is still stacking. Let me... 18 minutes. Ooh, the drift. The drift. Doesn't matter. I just want this. Man, yesterday, you know, Brian, that I'm here with a Geoptic platform. I called Geoptic today. I will call tomorrow. By the way, thank you very much for being helpful to me. You understand about certain things that I don't. And I understood that two motors, that Ed Jones, now they use these two motors on the platform, the equatorial platform. Mine has only one. Now they sell them, Geoptic sells them with two motors. I understood. I was searching information online about that, because now we have more information. At that time, back in that time, it was just those guys and nothing else. And I was searching information about the equatorial platform. I understood that two motors eliminate some problems when you don't have the center of gravity very well, or it's not very well balanced. As you have that traction, more power, it will eliminate those small problems with any telescope, because it's about the 12-inch that is heavier. And I was searching, and in some moment I entered in a French forum. I can't remember the name. It doesn't matter. I didn't know the forum. Man, I saw so much negativity around, and I saw so much ignorance about the equatorial platform, this equatorial platform. You can't imagine. You can't imagine. And it's a shame, because, or a pity, that some beginners were there trying to understand certain things, and they were completely smashed. That beginner, if he doesn't find a place like ours, like our Discord and this channel or whatever, and stick with us, he will never think again in equatorial platforms or whatever. Bam, over. We have to be very careful online searching information, any topic. Of course, especially if you like to do visual and go deep. I love to go deep. But you have a problem. You have an handicap. It's the fact that you move to go to the mountain. You need to move with a telescope, Samir. It's a different situation. In one of these days you will buy some van or something. Those vans, big vans. I say this because if I was in your situation, I probably will do that. To have the telescope in a van and move not only the telescope and my car, but everything. Move to the mountain, come from the mountain. Move to the mountain, oh, it's too late, I will sleep here. I'm at home, Yeah, right that. It's different. It's different. It's not that others are not good and shine. They are different. They are for other kind of people that search other things. Everybody does a hard job. YouTube is not easy. No, you need a van. An observatory van. Yes, it is the old Nebula. We are with 21 minutes stacking this with 4-second exposures, so very fast. Let me record this with loads of drift, but doesn't matter. I'll fix that later. And we are using a 12-inch Dobsonian telescope. This outside with a 294 camera, color camera, a quad band filter from Altair, quad band filter, ZWO camera, the King, over an equatorial platform.
The King.
It's the King. Yeah, that's why that's why I said to you, I really feel that if I was in your situation, life situation, I really feel that I will do that. To buy a van, it will simplify a lot your life. And it will be great. To buy a van, actually you can go by ferry to La Palma also. No? One day if you want. I will go this weekend to the other mountain, for instance. I don't know. But you can go on weekends when you have to grab the telescope. You don't grab the King sometimes because it's heavy. Then go to your car, go to the mountain, mount the telescope, then come back again with that weight. Then you are with sleepy or something or tired already. It's night. That's why you sleep there sometimes. But if you have it doesn't have to be a luxurious van. A van to move with everything ready. Oh, I would love to hack a van to do from a van an observatory with a Dob. I would love to do that. But my life circumstances are not for that. My life circumstances are for this permanent observatory and improve this. My sky is decent. Improve this in a way that I can enjoy with you. But if I was you, thank you, Daniel, for your kind words. Because some of them in United States, they use the focuser in the other side. I prefer as we use here, at the left. A Taurus is a Taurus with a good mirror. They do faster mirrors. But it's expensive. I asked them prices a while ago. Yeah, you can. We'll see. We'll see what life brings us, all of us. Right now I'm waiting for observatory build here. Improvement. I know, Star Guy, you talked about that. 36-inch. Oof. I didn't know it was in a trailer. Solid floor and with canvas steel and canvas canopy. About 4K. No, you can help. I will not do that. My life doesn't fit that. That doesn't fit in my life. But if I was Samir, but I will do like a van. Not a trailer, a van. A van, pull the telescope or something and like your small home space, your space there in the mountain here. Whew. That will be amazing. You see the picture we have. Free resources. Need image. No. Star fixer. It will fix the stars, see? For free. It's on dobsonianpower.com. Ooh, Saturn with a Dobsonian, it's... You will not forget. Never. Oh god. Never turn back, it's true. I think that Saturn, my first aha moment was that change, that life change. I'm waiting, processing the picture. Is the final one. It will fix this a bit. It stars. Remember, we are zooming a lot in the picture. We zoom a lot. If you do that in wide field, you can't see the defects. This is for Star Guy to watch better. Nice detail. I will do a quick post-process to this one, although we had very nice captures as well. Oof. This one deserves also a bit of a cheer. Oof. This was the first one tonight. What a beauty. Thor's helmet. What a beauty. It takes some minutes, but at the end we got the image. You see? Look at the stars. Are fixed. This is my only processment. And now, what I do, I will save this. I don't have time for more than this. And I hope a neat image. And I pull the image to neat image, which is free. You can download as well from my website. And you just have to open the image. This is awesome for beginners. You open the image. You click here. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. That's it, and save. Save. All. Quad band. Nexus. This is the one. This one was 2 years ago. This one was tonight. Very nice. You see the stars now are fixed. And we clean a good part of the noise. Thank you, Davide. Why is this like this? Oh, okay, okay. There we go. The power of the Dobsonian. Looks like the moon. An alien moon. And if you are thinking in buying a 12-inch, and then you think, well, it's so heavy, so large, so big, it's huge. It's huge, it's the king. It's huge, I can't buy that one. I will buy a refractor instead, or a dwarf, or smart telescope. Remember this. Live. Imagine if I was throwing these two pics inside. Imagine. And then you think it's huge. I will show you.
Electricity, I feel fire, feel our emotion. I feel fire between you and me. I feel pressure, feel our emotion. I feel pressure. All of my time, leave me behind, coming over me. Don't be wasting electricity. I feel fire, feel our emotion. I feel fire. I feel fire between you and me. I feel pressure. I feel fire between you and me. I feel pressure. I feel pressure. I feel fire between you and me. Between you and me. Electricity, I feel fire, feeling of emotion. I feel fire between you and me. I feel pressure between you and me. I feel fire. Electricity, I feel fire, feeling of emotion. I feel fire between you and me. I feel pressure, feeling of emotion. I feel pressure. All of my time, leave me behind, coming over me. Don't be wasting electricity. I feel fire, feel of emotion. I feel fire between you and me. I feel pressure. I feel fire between you and me. I feel pressure. I feel fire.
Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Now I leave. Now I leave it there with a fan to avoid the dew formation. And in a few 50 minutes or so, I close the telescope, I disconnect the fan, and then I'm done. Guys, thank you very much for being here. It was an awesome night again. One more night, beautiful night watching the sky with you. Hopefully we can be with you again in this weekend. Have a great rest of the week. And thank you again. Thank you.
Electricity, I feel fire, feeling of emotion.